18 रिवीजन है क्या सर?
18th है क्या?
ऐसा मुझे लगता है।
यस्टरडे यहाँ पे 14 था, 2 बार मैंने 15 लिख दिया था, तो 15 16 नहीं, ठीक है 17 थे।
17 ही है सर।
हाँ 17 ही है।
17 ही है
यस्टरडे
सर।
आई रोट 2 times 15, तो इसीलिए आई स्किप्ड 1। Okay. Right. So we were discussing about range, discussing for loop. And for loop में we saw range generates a list of values which are taken one by one by loop variable. Our discussion with range. ठीक है. So first we'll start with syntax. Syntax means the way you should write properly or the grammar of the language. It's just like that. So उसमें कैसे लिखते हैं? How do you write that? Range start argument, end argument, and one. So it has few forms. So I'll write like that. This is the first form. This is the second form. When you are writing 3 numeric arguments, then this will mean start, end step. When you are writing only 1 argument, क्या होगा वो? Start होगा, end होगा, step होगा.
End
Can we
value.
write only 1 argument?
No.
No. Anand.
Sir?
Who said no?
Not me.
Prashant.
Sir.
हाँ?
Saurav.
अच्छा सौरभ. सौरभ फिर से पढ़ो एक बार ध्यान से, उसको रिवाइज करना. When you write only 1 argument, it is end. Okay. Let's get examples. When you write end, when you do not write a step, default step is equals to 1. यहाँ पे तो सारा कुछ मेंशन कर दिया हो, so no need. Here by default start is equals to 0 and step is equals to 1. ठीक है. इसके एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. Examples. Okay, tell me if you have first example range (11). So in the loop, what type of list will this range? Range वो कैसा होगा list?
0 to 10.
Sorry,
0 to 10.
0 to 10. See, I am not saying कि range generates a list. In the loop, it generates a list internally. Okay, so actually, if you print range 11, it won't give you a list. But when it is mentioned in the loop, then it will internally generate a sort of list which will be taken one by one by the loop variable. What will this generate?
-7, -6, -5.
बस रुक जाओ, आखिरी वाला बता दो आपके बाद.
99.
Till 99.
99.
हाँ, ठीक है. What will this do? Step means first value, then second increase this amount. ठीक है. So it will start from, see, step means step is increment or decrement value for successive elements. Can you relate it with something in mathematics? Can we say a range generates a list of numbers which are in AP? Sorry?
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression, right? So range generates a sequence or a list of numbers which are in AP. So can we say that a step value acts as a common difference? Just
Yes.
Common difference of AP. ठीक है. So this will generate values starting from 2. Common difference is 2. So next will be 4, 6, 8. ऐसे जाते जाते it will go till 20 is inclusive. अगर मान लो यहाँ पे 20 कर देते तो what would have been the last value? Would it have been the same or something else?
Ending would be 18, sir.
Would be 18. So will give you 2, 4, 6, 8, 18. ठीक है. What about this?
It won't be executed.
Okay. Won't be executed. Anyone with anything else? Any other answer?
So it will give 0 to then 4
0 to 4
and so on till 18.
till 18. Okay. देखो Anand, it matches which form? First form? 2 arguments only.
Okay, so I got
When there are 2 arguments, so it should start at 20. Why your this started at 10 at 0?
I just mismatched the step and thing.
सर डिफॉल्ट स्टेप -1 होगा क्या?
डिफॉल्ट स्टेप कहाँ लिखा है यहाँ पे देखो तो. जब स्टेप वैल्यू when you do not provide by default what is it taken?
1.
1. फिर sort of empty list will be generated and therefore loop will not run. क्योंकि there is no value to fetch in the looping variable even once. Loop does not execute. Error नहीं देगा, याद रखना. It won't be giving error even once. What will be the answer?
-20 -90.
Last value क्या होगा? What will be the last value?
1.
Huh?
1, sir.
1. Till 1. यही होगा. Everyone.
So, right?
Huh?
2019.
Oh, sorry, 2019. Correct. 19. Now is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
It is
सर.
correct. अलग?
बोल रही हूँ, 2 बार बोल दिया मैंने.
अच्छा, वो 2 बार बोला तुमने. ओके. ये गलत है. देखो, इसलिए मैं तीसरे बार पूछा था. Whenever you get such a thing, in the number line, you plot start, end and step. ठीक है, start और end तो पहले plot कर लो. So this is start, this is end, and this is step. Okay, so if you plot here, end is 2, start is 20.
Sir,
Yeah,
it's not 1,
it will be then what?
3.
3. and like that it will go on. So देखो, remember one thing I had told you that day also, last day also, कि when your step is positive, ठीक है, when your step is positive, your list will be formed in towards right side, increasing way, ठीक है. When your step is negative, the list will be formed in reverse way. तो जब step negative हो ना, when your step is positive, ठीक है, in this case for example, इस केस को देखोगे एग्जांपल में, so your start value is this, your step end value is this, your step value is this. So your start value is 2, your end value is 21, and your step determines ki which direction you will go. If a step is positive, go in right direction on number line. Direction number line till end -1, ठीक है. सो कहाँ तक जाएंगे? राइट डायरेक्शन में जाना है, लिस्ट फॉर्म करना है मुझे. माई स्टेप इज पॉजिटिव, द फर्स्ट इज 2, 4, 6, ऐसे करके जाएंगे 8, like that you will go till 20, okay, end -1 तक. So when you are going towards right, go till end -1, okay, मतलब just one before the ending number, okay. So till here, this and this will be included, okay. Similarly, if step is negative, go in left direction. From start till end +1. तो जब राइट साइड जाते हैं तो 1 बिफोर द नंबर इज सेलेक्टेड. when you are going towards left, ठीक है, you will select जो लास्ट वैल्यू है. सो स्टार्ट इज, देखो, this is your start, this is your end 2. कहां तक जाएंगे? 1 बिफोर. जब राइट साइड जाते हैं तो you will take 1 before it. Here also when you are going towards left, you will select the number which comes on the right, just before it on the number line. So when you are going towards right, the very first number you encounter just before reaching that number, there you should stop. When you are going towards left also, you should stop on a number which you encounter just before reaching that number. So यहाँ पे एक पहले तक जाएंगे till here, okay. So your list will be formed 20, 19, 18, यहां से होते होते कहां तक जाएगा? It will go till 3. ये बताओ, ये समझ में आया कि नहीं? इज इट क्लियर और नॉट?
Understood, sir.
प्रियंका, शशांक, अखिला, ओके. अजय, ओके, ठीक. चलो कुछ और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. लास्ट वन वाज 6. लेट्स गो टू 7. नंबर लाइन बना के इमेजिन करो. So this is start, this is end, this is step. Okay, so on number line, you will write start, और जो बड़ा नंबर होता है नंबर लाइन में, that is always towards the right. लेफ्ट साइड में स्मॉलर नंबर्स आते हैं. तो which one is bigger? -7. -7 here you will get -6, -8, -9, -30, -29, -28. ठीक है. Okay, so now you tell me, are you going towards left or right? How do you decide? How do we decide whether we have to go from left to right or right to left while forming the numbers? That is, we have to start from -7 or -29 and then go in which direction?
Start value and step value decide the path.
Majorly step value decides. Okay, so step value, that is common difference, determines right or left. ठीक है. So ये देखो, यहाँ step is -2, so we should start with start value is -7. We'll pick it as this will be included. From here we will start generating list. So list will contain -7 starting from -7. Then you will go in the next reverse direction with a common difference of -2, then -9, -11. तुम तो लिस्ट ही चेंज कर दिए, क्या बोल रहे हो? Till 27 it will go. Okay, -7, -9, -11, -13. It will go on. What will be the last value? What will be the last value? Last
20.
value will be -30, -29, -28. इन तीनों में से कौन सा होगा?
-28.
You're guessing? Or you're sure?
No, it's not. No, sir.
Huh?
It's wrong. It's not -28.
Then it
For
will
sure.
be? You're going in left direction, right? You're in left.
It will be -27, sir.
It will be -27. So we are going in left direction. So number till जहां तक तुम्हें जा सकते हो, that will be -28. But at the difference of 2, -28 will never be reached. Okay, so you are allowed to traverse till -28 or reach till -28, but because -28 won't come when you keep on subtracting 2 every time, so therefore you will reach till, so this is the value where till where you are allowed to go, but this will be the last value. This is allowed, but this is last value. So last value will be -27. ये देख के बताओ, Yes, Prashant, 7 to minus 27, but difference होगा, common difference will be minus 2. Okay, देखो and let me know. Is it clear? Everyone? प्रियंका समझ में आया? Okay. Right. What will be the case here? Start plotting the line. Starting value is minus 29. Ending value is minus 7. Okay. So this is your start. This is your end. But step is negative. That means starting from here, you have to go in negative direction. So will you ever reach minus 7? Negative means on the left side of the number line. Okay. So starting from minus 29, if you try to reach minus 7 by subtracting any value every time, will you ever reach minus 7? Negative value means left side पे जाना है. तो left जाते जाते क्या कभी वापस आओगे क्या minus 7 पे? Yeah. So logically inside the loop it will result in empty list with no execution. No execution. Okay, not possible. Right. Eighth one. I'll convert range minus 29 say minus 7 step of minus 2. ये range ही देगा, but I'll convert it into list by putting it inside list function. Let us see. ठीक है, तो लूप के अंदर में बाय डिफॉल्ट लिस्ट कन्वर्जन हो जाता है उसका, so that it can pick up one value every time in the looping variable. Saurav, is it clear? Now tell me about this. What will this result in?
List starting from 29 and incrementing by 2 equal 29 and 27 minus 29 then minus 27 and follow through.
End value बताओ, end value. I'm more interested in end value.
minus 9.
Minus 9.
Yeah.
Last element 9. Positive में तो है ही नहीं शशांक हम लोग. अच्छा -9, हाँ, now it is correct. ऐसे होते होते you will get a कहाँ तक -9. ओके, इसको नंबर लाइन पे कैसे एनालिसिस करेंगे? हाउ वी विल एनालाइज? दिस इज स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू, this is starting, this is ending, this is step. Step is positive, that means left to right, sorry, left to right, left to right direction. ठीक है, starting value is -29 should come on the left side in the number line because it is smaller number. -30, -29, -28, ऐसे होते होते जाएगा -10, -9, -8, -7. So when you are going towards right, हमने देखा था, when you are going towards right, you stop at जो नंबर जहां तक जाना है उससे 1 before we will stop. Okay, and when we are going towards left, जहां जाना है उससे 1 पहले जो नंबर आएगा उस पर रुकते हैं. The number that you encounter first before reaching that number. Okay, in any direction. So here, when we are going to this direction, the number that comes before, just before it, before you encounter that number, that will be your stop value. Okay, so you will start from here and you will go towards the direction to reach -7, but you will stop at the number which is just before it. So you will stop here. Left direction में भी वही होता है. You start going -7 से and then you try to reach -29, but -29 से just पहले जो नंबर आएगा उस पे भी रुक जाओगे तुम लोग. ठीक है, that is तुम्हारा your number. ठीक है, alright. ठीक है. So but now if you try reaching from -29 to -8 including, okay, then if you keep on subtracting 2 adding 2 every time, you will see that the number that you will be able to reach will be क्या होगा 9 and not -8. ठीक है, तो यहां तक जाएंगे, आंसर विल बी -9. ये देखो इसका एनालिसिस, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? Have a look. देखो प्रियंका, विष्णुप्रिया, अजय, ओके, ठीक है, राइट. ठीक है, फिर एक काम करते हैं, विल मीट आफ्टर 10 minutes around 11:20 पे, and then we'll continue for the second part. Okay, with now practice questions of for loop.